So we have a common theme here where we do brake jobs on this channel. So right now I got the doors all open just to help finish this tint dry, and then it should be good. I think by now it's good, but I don't want to take any chances. But yeah, we're gonna hop on here, pop this wheel off, and we're gonna get these guide pins out. I have the guide pins, they're sitting over there, but yeah, this brake is just pissing me off and I want to get it over with. So we're gonna try to fix that right now, and then yeah, we'll come back once we're doing something. Alright, so we got a new goodies package here. We're gonna attempt to open this one-handed. Oop. Remember, kids, always cut towards yourself. So I know what's in here, obviously, but you guys don't. Ooh, a little rough country accent, huh? Yeah. We're gonna pop this little staple open here. What does this thing work? Jesus Christ. We got 3 little latches. Oh yeah. Many of you should know what these are. It's gonna be our leveling kit. So we're not gonna be looking like a rake anymore. We're gonna take care of this pretty soon. As for exactly when, I have no idea, but me and Jake plan to do a lot of stuff pretty soon here, and we might be going through a channel name change, hopefully, if we can figure one out, because just not a fan of what we got going right now. So yeah, well, I don't know where we're gonna jump to next, but we'll see. So we just took the caliper off and we have found our problem, because look right here. See how we got a gap in between this pad and this rotor? There's no gap here. So this brake is not releasing, which is what I suspected because of these fuckers. So this bracket is gonna come off, and then we're gonna take these out and replace them with those. Very surprisingly, we just threw some PB Blaster on these bolts and they actually popped loose first try with this breaker bar. So we're off to a good start so far. so it's very important that you match up your same guide pins, because this one has a notch at the end of it here and the other one does not. So you have to keep those in the same spot because it does actually matter. And then we're gonna take this grease and grease these up, and then put it back on, put our hardware back on, and keep on rolling. All right, so we just got our brake hardware and stuff put back on here. So these are, I just re-greased everything. Our sliding pins actually slide now, so that's a perk. We should be good then. For now, I'm gonna put this caliper right back on, and then we'll see where we can go. We wrapped up side one over here, got everything put back together. Just gonna throw this cap on, which we'll do right now. And now this side's done. So we're gonna hop over and move all this shit to the other side. Showing you guys this entire process again, step by step. I'm just gonna throw up a time lapse. I'm gonna set you guys down to the side so you guys can watch from a better angle, and we'll just go through the entire process, switching out these sliding pins on this side, and then we'll come back. What's up?
Awesome truck.
Thank you. Hopefully, guys, that wraps up all of the brake job shit that I have to do on this truck, because I'm kind of over it, to be honest. But with that being said, if you like this video, like the video down below, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all into the next one. Peace.